Hello there. I'm going to be working on this Sabina Juniper today. Now the thing is, it's been growing in the ground for 2 years. Then I put it in a training pot just to get the root system down, and obviously it's had some pruning a while ago, which I've created. These will be turned into gins, but basically I just want to get some of this turned into the right shape and obviously thin it out, because there's obviously some dead branches and bits that need sorting out. So that's the plan today, and see if we can just get some kind of structural shape to it. I'm gonna obviously repot it later in the season, so we'll take it from there. So let's have a look at it. What I need to do is decide what shape I'm gonna bring it through. It had some wiring a while ago, but it never really did much, so I'm just looking that there's a bit of new growth. So it has a fairly good trunk structure, and there's plenty of scope for some gins to be made at a later date. And I'm just going to look where it needs to be wired. I want to open up this trunk itself so it can be visibly seen more and bring these branches round. What I want to do first is just take out a couple of smaller branches that are in the way. So I'm just going to get on and do that now. There's one growing inside, right in the joint of the curve there, which is coming out. And obviously there's some small branches just round here. I just want to take these out. I'm just following the line of this branch round and working out where it's going to go. I'm planning on curving it round and more, taking it round towards me a little bit more, like so. But I'm just looking what branches here are now and what I can work with. I don't want too many branches on the inside, because like I said, I want to try and get this trunk structure there coming round like so. This branch wants to be down here. I want to try and get this one round here like so. Obviously it needs some wiring and some... I'm not so sure what I'm doing here yet. I'm going to have a look. I might even just take this whole lot off. I won't know until I see what the balance of it's like. Okay, so I'm going to go through and selectively remove the branches that I don't need, and then we'll see how it gets on, and I'll get back to you with it. Now for some wiring.
Complete the
What I was planning on doing was taking these two branches here and turning them into gins at a later date. So I was just wiring them to give them a little bit of shape, just to give them a bit more bend, so I could actually give them a bit more of a feature when they become gins. But what I've noticed is through this branch here, it's virtually broken through at an old, it's got a very old wound on it, and it's made it very weak. So obviously that one is going to I'm going to take that one off now, because obviously it's just very, very, very weak. Now a bit of pruning.